everybody, Kaye here on the homestead in Tennessee. Well, I am cutting down wild lettuce. When I made my video last year, which is one of my most popular videos, wild lettuce tincture video, I only had one big plant and another small plant. And I let that one big plant, I cut it down but not all the way, and it grew all the way back and it bloomed. And and this year we've been pulling it out all over. You have to be very careful not to let it bloom unless you want to be pulling it out all over. So it's time to make some more tincture, because I just got some feedback today about someone I gave some tincture. I traded a great lunch and I gave her some tincture, and her husband has been helped by it, and now her son is going to try it for his pain, also for sleep. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go inside. I've got a poultice on my hand of the last video that I made about lady's thumb, and be sure and watch that. I'll put the link right up there. So I need to go wash this off, because I thought it was all kind of hard, but when I started really gripping with it, it all got squished, and so I got my paste all over the place. So I'm going to go wash my hand, and I am going to start taking the leaves off of those big pieces of wild lettuce. It's a good idea to handle this with gloves. It's a little prickly. You can see they're about to put up flower shoots here. And so I really need to use those before that happens. Show you the sap. So everywhere you cut off a leaf, a little bit of the white sap comes out. That white sap turns brown after it's exposed to air, but that white sap is the medicine. So you can see everywhere I cut the leaf, you've got the sap. If you're new here, I live on a little over 9 acres. After having a very small garden in California, my first 8 years of my channel was small space gardening. So if you have any of those circumstances, you know, where you're looking for rain, capturing rain, growing in containers, using every available space, finding the sun, I've got all those videos on my channel. Just look in the playlist of my early days in California. Here I am, I have a huge canvas. It's more than I can handle, but I want to go out this year with another really big garden. and I'm doing the best I can. So we'll see how it goes. And I hope you'll subscribe, come along for the ride, and click that bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode. Okay, I'm gonna get back to cutting up this wild lettuce. Hey, thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, sharing with a friend. You never know who you might be able to help by sharing my medicinal plant videos. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.